Our Task Lighting LED lighting kits are professional grade, and it's all in the box. Task Lighting was founded 35 years ago in Kearney, Nebraska, and today is a leading manufacturer and supplier of LED lighting for the kitchen, bath, and home. Task Lighting's 160-page catalog showcases our full range of lighting and power products and their applications. Task Lighting makes it easy to start offering LED lighting to your customers with our LED lighting kits. It's all in the box. Like all Task Lighting products, our LED lighting kits are professional grade with commercial quality tape lighting, IP65 rated micro waterproof protective coating, UL listed, and a 3-year warranty. Kit prices start at $90 for a 16-foot touch dimmer kit, and it's all in the box. Each 16-foot touch dimmer kit contains 16 feet of UL-listed commercial-grade Task Lighting LED tape lighting, plug-in power supply, in-wall rated wire, easy connectors, a switch for on and off dimming, or a wireless controller and receiver for on and off dimming, an adhesive promoter wipe, and even a screwdriver. And wireless controller kits are also available and popular. But how easy is it to install? Easy. No electrician needed. First, wipe the surface and apply the tape lighting. Second, run wire through a 3/16-inch hole between cabinets and connect to the lighting. Third, add the inline switch or wireless receiver. And fourth, plug the power supply into a hidden outlet, such as for the microwave, refrigerator, dishwasher, or garbage disposal. After a practice, it's about 45 minutes to completely install 16 feet of tape lighting. Task Lighting offers a full line of LED lighting kits, retail packaged kits for cash and carry, contractor kits with 16-foot kits being the most popular, up to 64 feet of lighting and 4 zones. Contact Hardware Resources to learn more about our Task Lighting LED lighting kits. Speak with your Hardware Resources sales rep or visit us online at www.tasklighting.com.